This is my Brother Activator 889 portable typewriter. Full featured, precision built, heavy duty engineered, serves with nationwide parts and service centers. And the first family of convenience products, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it. Convenience Products Brother International Corporation. As you can see, which is pretty rare, I have this machine in its original carton box. On top of here, as you can see, it says handle with care, do not drop, stay away from boiler, open here. The original address of the first owner and the second owner of this machine. He said he bought it in 1973. It has been taped by one point. You can see if I zoom it in. You see that's tape. But that has been a long time ago because this is already turning a bit yellow on some points. Yeah, if you did the Brother decal, you also see that on the manuals. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. And I found it with the original box. I paid $20 for it, which is a pretty good price considering that it came with everything. It has its manuals, cleaning brush, all that. I'll show you in a minute. So, I'll put the camera down and I'm going to show you. I have to put the box down so I can grab some stuff out of it. So if you don't mind, here's an extra look of the box. Yeah. And then here's the top. Alright. I'm going to take you down a little bit. You can see what I'm doing here. Alright. First we start. No, before I start, I actually this video is for a response of a lady that had a Webster typewriter and a Brother Opus 889. I'm making two videos also of this machine, and I have a Brother Opus 895. This is the Activator 889, so that's pretty funny because she had an Opus 889. Let's continue here. This is a list of all typewriter stores in the United States in the 70s for Brother. Oh no, actually it says authorized. I don't know if you can see it. Authorized typewriter service centers. And then all the addresses of all the 51 states. Alright. That's pretty sweet. And then we continue. We have this. The Brother typewriter. It is good for, it says the newest concept in fast typing, portable for busy people on the go, lightweight, designed for heavy duty work, jam proof, full office keyboard, designed for executive professionals, ideal for students, etc, etc. Down there, this is probably out of date, but it says that you can get a free ribbon if you hand in a special card, and I'm going to show you in a minute, which is where the ribbon is only worth now. Well, it's worth now about $9, but back then you could get it for like 60 cents. And as you can see, here is the card that you should hand in if you want a free ribbon, and it says only 60 cents for shipping. So that was pretty sweet. This card is in great condition as on this one. No faults, no dents, no chips, nothing. Here on the back of that card is the same card that says all steel typewriter, all Brother typewriters include a 1-year part guarantee against manufacturing defects plus 90-day part service guarantee, and I'm guaranteeing all that information about there. So that's pretty sweet that I found this, and yeah, this is, you see, this just go together. Then put this aside. Then we get the warranty card, which looks like this. It says you have a lady here and information. and you hand this in if something is wrong with your machine. This is the warranty guarantee, 10-year guarantee, and so yeah, it's important you stay in the information, and it says the model is 889, serial number K3300217, and then it is date of purchase or date of delivery December 1973. I looked this one up on the internet, and this is from exactly the year 70. So yeah, and anyway, you put your information down here, put a stamp here, and you send it. Pretty sweet. And then, of course, the last part is this one. Brother as seen on TV. The lady on the other video also had this, so that's pretty neat that we, that you still can get machines in such good shape with everything attached to it and all. Just put this back, turn this back. Side here. Alright, the next thing I'm going to show you are these two things. Here you go. These are for on the side of the carriage to protect the machine. It also has a carriage lock, so I don't use this right now. I have to figure out how they work because I don't seem to able to attach them to the machine, but they're still pretty funny. They're plastic, with some special plastic because they're pretty heavy, so anyway, that came with it. Put this aside there. Now, the big moment, the typewriter itself. Yeah, I'll show you the inside of the box if you want. Here's the box again. Let's use the inside. Alright, I put the box aside. Here we have the machine. There we go. There we go. There's the machine. Now, as we open up, slide these to the center of the thing here. There we go. Now, the first thing we do is I'm going to show you them. Of course, here's the manual. Zoom out. The manual. It is how to use and enjoy your Brother portable typewriter, and then all neat little things you can learn about the machine. Oh, let's see. Oh, I didn't want this on there. Anyway, I put this aside here. Then we have. Unfortunately, this has been ripped in half, so I have to tape it or anything like that. But here, as you can see, it shows how the carriage locks work and how you take the cover off and all that information. Also pretty sweet. And now, oh yeah, this also came with it. This is the typewriter. It came off. This is original. It smells old. So. And then, give me a second here. Cleaning brush and pencil. Comes in its original case. This thing is in totally original condition. It doesn't look like anything has been replaced or anything like that. I'm going to take it out of its box now. It doesn't have any latches or anything. It just put in there. And that I keep that plastic for protection of the machine. Now, there we go. Just put this aside here. Because this video might get extra long, I'm gonna put this in part. I'm gonna make a part 2. So there are 2 parts of this movie, and please click on the other one to see it. Okay? Click on the other movie to see the other part.